Names of family members in Igbo. Names of family members in Igbo. Names of family members in Igbo. First son, Okpara. First daughter, Ada. Second daughter, Olu. Third child, Ibeke or Nwankato. Second son, Osote Okpara. In-law, Ogo. Father-in-law, father-in-law. Nna di maọbụ nna nwunye. Mother-in-law, nne di maọbụ nne nwunye. Niece or nephew, nwa nwanne m. Cousin, ibe nne, a maternal cousin. Ibe nna, paternal cousin.